Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the file type on your Windows 11 computer for a file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up File Explorer. So if it's not already open, you want to go ahead and open it up. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon to see more over on the far right. And you want to select the Options button. Select the View tab, and then you want to uncheck the box where it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select Apply and OK. And now locate the file that you want to change the file extension and right-click on it. Select the little option that says Rename, and then change the file extension on the end to whatever you want. So obviously it should be a compatible file format here, but let's say .mov. Select Yes, and that should change the file extension type. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.